I was lucky enough at ICML to present some of the data on Copanlisib in early phase trials in follicular lymphoma. We were lucky. We have put 9 patients into early phase trial programs with this drug, so we've built up quite a bit of experience with it. And I was reporting data in the Bayer Symposium on 104 patients with follicular lymphoma that were recruited into the Indolent trial. It's a very interesting drug. It's given intravenously. It's a PI3 kinase inhibitor, but in contrast with Indolent, it targets both the alpha and the delta isoform of PI3K. And it's pretty well tolerated. I mean, early phase trials, they're all about toxicity profiles, adverse events, and then subsequently we're interested in efficacy. But the adverse event profile is good. There's a bit of hypertension. There's altered glucose levels because of the on-target effect on the PI3K alpha, which affects insulin metabolism. So those are pretty manageable. The relief is that colitis and other things like pneumonitis that have been quite problematic with some of the PI3 kinase inhibitors wasn't so troublesome. And then when it came to efficacy, that's looking pretty good. About 60% of patients getting response by standard criteria, and about 14-15% complete remissions in the follicular lymphoma cohort, which stands up pretty well against Idela in the non-randomized data that's been published so far. And of those CRs, well, 10 of the 15 CRs are still ongoing on drug, so deriving some pretty good benefit, and so that fits with our experience. Interesting drug, a difficult area. These are relapsed refractory patients, median 3 prior, so really challenging, and I look forward to seeing whether it gets through its licensing stage and gets into the clinic.